This flexible solar cell can turn any surface into a power source. Researchers at MIT's One Lab have developed an ultra-thin, flexible solar cell that could bring us energy wherever we need it. This type of solar cell can be used on the cell of a boat to generate power to propel the boat. They weigh about 100 times less than the conventional solar panels. Unlike traditional solar panels, these solar cells can be printed and they can generate up to 18 times more power per kilogram than a conventional solar panels. To construct their solar cells, the researchers combined a mix of high-tech methods such as 3D printing electronic ink onto the polythene terephthalate or PET sheets, along with more traditional screen printing techniques to place electrodes on top. This 15-micron thick solar cell, which is thinner than the human hair, was then transferred to super light and durable fabric. While testing solar cells, researchers found that they could generate 730 watts of power per kilogram before being installed on any surface and 370 watts of power per kilogram after being deployed, which is about 80 times more power per kilogram than conventional silicon solar cells. While testing its durability, they found that solar cells are still able to generate more than 90% of the power from their initial states after rolling and unrolling about 500 times. These ultralight solar cells can be easily integrated onto cells of a boat to provide power while at sea, adhered onto tents and tarps that are deployed in disaster recovery operations or applied onto the wings of drones to extend their flying range. A typical silicon solar installation on home in Massachusetts adds about 450 kgs to the roof to generate 8000 watts of power. On the other hand, just over 30 kgs of these solar cells would be sufficient. Typically, solar cells are encased in heavy glass to protect them from the air or rain that could harm their performance, but the ultra-thin cells need to remain flexible for certain applications. Instead, the researchers are now working to develop lightweight packaging for their solar cells and plan to streamline their production method for improved speed and scalability. For example, they will aim to remove non-solar active materials when possible.